Hey, what's up guys? I just come back from work today and still sitting in my car, RX-7 as always. And today we're very excited because I received something I've been waiting for a long time. So that's probably the last part for my RX-7 to get everything done in the first stage. And today I'm gonna make a unboxing video and show you guys how beautiful they are. And you're gonna have a look now. There we go. So do you guys want to guess what it is? So very beautiful, very simple box. Yeah, probably some of you guys already know. All right, let's open it. Work Mazda wheels center cap. This thing, it feels heavy on the hand, so it's probably the aluminum. So definitely aluminum, and I'm gonna open it and see how beautiful it is. Yeah. CNC machine surface. So sorry about my long nails because I didn't cut it for a while, but today I'm gonna cut it. So actually because I left my nails on because sometimes it will be easier to pick up something fall down on the seat. Yeah, just a joke. But this one you can see is a very beautiful design, and so it actually is a separate part. So on the top it's an aluminum, like a CNC machine, but on the bottom, so it's a plastic frame to hold the thing together. And also, yeah, you can just simply plug this on the wheels. But what I'm gonna do before I install the wheels, so I probably will find some fragile point, because I probably want to use the super glue to secure those, yeah, before I put on the wheel. And also on the, I'm not 100% sure, because sometimes when you drive the car, the center cap will fall off from the wheel, so I don't want this happening. So I probably need to get some glue around this area. Or maybe I don't have to worry too much, because I think the way they design like this, probably also it should be pretty strong, because yeah, it's over many years, so they probably developed this pretty, and it can hold on the wheels pretty good. Alright, so I think this time I choose not to worry too much. I will just install this on the wheels and see how it looks like. Stay focused, guys. Alright, so let's start from the back wheels. What do you guys think? Does it look better? Just to measure well. Yeah, guys. So it's actually not that easy to install. It needs about a pretty big amount of force to push in, and I believe you cannot remove by hand, so you probably need to push back from inside. But yeah, that's it. It looks alright. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna put all four, and see what's happening. Alright guys, so all four center cap on the wheels now. So if you wanna share your opinion, I think it looks pretty complete. So closer look, pretty nice. Yeah. So what do you guys think? It's fine. And also maybe next week, so the What Wheels is gonna take me out and take some photos for the promotion stuff. That's okay. So finally, finish my car. And the good thing is tomorrow I can drive the car to work. I mean to my work. Alright. I'm gonna go home now. Got some takeaways. Just show you one more time. Yeah, beautiful. Alright guys, so nothing to say today, but see you next time. So tomorrow still need to work whole day, Saturday. And alright, so say goodbye. So one more look. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.